Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about the abnormal behavior of nitrogen. In the previous video you have seen that nitrogen exhibits certain properties which are different from the other members of the nitrogen family, its own group. This behavior of nitrogen is called abnormal behavior. The abnormal behavior of nitrogen is basically due to its smaller size, high electronegativity, high ionization energy, absence of d orbitals. Now we will discuss some of the properties in which nitrogen is becoming abnormal from other members. First property is p-pi multiple bonding. Due to smaller size, nitrogen can form p-pi multiple bond with the carbon and oxygen, means other smaller atoms and highly electronegative atom. Due to this p-pi tendency, nitrogen exists as N2 molecule in gaseous state because N2 molecule is very small and it is held by weak van der Waals force of attraction. That's why it is gas. But in other cases, in phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, they cannot make p-pi multiple bonds. So in order to complete their octet, each atom makes 3 sigma bond, and in this attempt it becomes tetrahedral. It becomes tetraatomic molecule where the p bond angle is very close to 66 degree or 60 degree. So now because of this very small bond angle, here is very high angle strain, so that's why the p4 molecule is reactive. And because of the larger molecular size, the intermolecular force of attraction is very strong, so that's why they exist as solid. Now we will take second property, catenation. Catenation means self-linking property in which one atom linked to another. Now what is the general trend? That catenation tendency of the first member in p block is more than second member. Like carbon has very strong tendency of catenation than silicon, but here if you see, then the phosphorus has maximum tendency of catenation. The catenation tendency of phosphorus is more than nitrogen. So this is abnormal behavior of nitrogen. The catenation tendency is very less. This is because nitrogen single bond in nitrogen is very weak. It is 159 kilojoule per mole only bond energy. This is due to interelectronic repulsion. Because of a smaller size, the lone pairs of electrons are very close, so interelectronic repulsion is maximum. That's why this bond become weaker. But in case of phosphorus, due to larger size, so these lone pairs stay away from each other, so interelectronic repulsion is very less, so that's why this is stable and can hold several phosphorus atoms in the chain. So that's why catenation tendency is more in phosphorus. Now N2 is unreactive at room temperature. This is again due to p-pi bond formation tendency. Nitrogen exists as nitrogen molecule. Its bond length is 109 picometer and bond energy is very high, 941.4 kilojoule per mole. So this is the highest of the bond energy among the diatomic molecule. So that's why it is quite less reactive, but phosphorus is very reactive due to angle strain in the molecule. Now the maximum covalency of nitrogen is 4. Due to absence of d orbital, it cannot extend its covalency beyond 4, but other members can extend their covalency beyond 4 due to presence of d orbital, as phosphorus can form PCl5, ASF5, all these. So these are only due to presence of d orbitals. Now formation of nitride ion. So nitrogen can make any compound where it makes nitride ion accepts 3 electron, but accepting 3 electron in all other cases is very difficult. So that's why they all form covalent compounds. Ammonia forms hydrogen bond, but other hydrides of this family does not make hydrogen bond. Ammonia is Lewis base. It is much basic than PH3 and other hydrides. This is due to its smaller size. It can donate the lone pair of electron very easily. So these are some of the properties you have seen that in which nitrogen is becoming abnormal. Now we will take the next topic, that is nitrogen. बच्चों नाइट्रोजन जो है वो डाई नाइट्रोजन के फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट करता है, N2 के फॉर्म में, इसीलिए इसको डाई नाइट्रोजन भी बोलते हैं. नाइट्रोजन की डिस्कवरी डेनियल रदरफोर्ड ने 1772 में करी थी. प्रिपरेशन, कमर्शियल प्रिपरेशन नाइट्रोजन का एयर से होता है. एयर को पहले लिक्विफाई कर लेते हैं बाय लोअरिंग टेम्परेचर और बाय अप्लाइंग हाई प्रेशर, फिर उसके बाद फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन किया जाता है. On fractional distillation, nitrogen is separated at 77.2 Kelvin temperature. Now in lab में प्रिपेयर करने के लिए जो अमोनियम कंपाउंड्स हैं, अमोनियम साल्ट्स हैं, उनके डिकम्पोजिशन से इसको बनाते हैं. लाइक डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ अमोनियम नाइट्राइड, NH4NO2 aqueous solution on heating gives nitrogen gas. Now, if you take the thermal decomposition of ammonium dichromate, NH4 whole twice Cr2O7 on heating gives dinitrogen plus water plus Cr2O3 chromium trioxide. Similarly, nitrogen in pure form can be obtained by thermal decomposition of azide. Azide क्या होता है? N3 single minus ion is called azide ion. So you can take barium azide or sodium azide, and on heating it gives barium plus nitrogen. So barium is solid, nitrogen is obtained in gaseous state in pure form. Properties of dinitrogen: it is colorless, odorless, tasteless, non-toxic gas. और जैसा आप जानते हैं नाइट्रोजन एटमॉस्फेयर में है, तो इसमें ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज नहीं होती हैं. ये कलरलेस होता है, ऑर्डरलेस होता है, टेस्टलेस होता है. नाइट्रोजन के दो आइसोटोप्स हैं, N14 और N15, और दिस इज स्लाइटली सॉल्युबल इन वाटर. 23.2 ml per liter at 273 Kelvin. Chemical properties: it is quite less reactive, chemically inert at room temperature. This is due to very high bond enthalpy, 941.4 kilojoule per mole, and its bond length is 109 picometer. तो इसको तोड़ना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, तो इसीलिए जब तक एटम नहीं बनेगा केमिकल रिएक्शन होगी नहीं. एज वी नो दैट एटम्स पार्टिसिपेट इन केमिकल रिएक्शन. सो दिस मॉलिक्यूल इज वेरी स्टेबल. Now it is neutral towards litmus, but when dinitrogen is treated with reactive metals at high temperature, then it forms several compounds. It forms nitride. For example, when it reacts with lithium, on heating it forms lithium nitride. With magnesium, it forms magnesium nitride. Action on non-metals, यहाँ पर दो रिएक्शन हम देखेंगे. रिएक्शन विद ऑक्सीजन. सो डाइनाइट्रोजन रिएक्ट्स विद ऑक्सीजन. इस रिएक्शन के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर चाहिए, 2273 केल्विन टेम्परेचर. दिस बिकॉज कि ये दोनों ही हाईली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट हैं, ये रिपेल करेंगे. रिपल्सन को ओवरकम करने के लिए यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर चाहिए. देन इट फॉर्म नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड, एंड दिस नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड इज यूज्ड इन मेकिंग नाइट्रिक एसिड. लेटर ऑन यू विल सी. हालांकि हमें नाइट्रिक एसिड इस बार कोर्स में नहीं पढ़ना है. नाउ डाइनाइट्रोजन रिएक्ट्स विद हाइड्रोजन at 200 atmospheric pressure and 700 Kelvin. The reaction is reversible reaction. It forms ammonia gas. Now uses, आपने 10th में भी पढ़ा था कि डाइनाइट्रोजन चिप्स के पैकेट में भरा जाता है, ये उसको ऑक्सीडेशन से या रेंसिडिटी से बचाता है. Dinitrogen is used in the manufacturing of nitric acid and ammonia and CaCN2 calcium cyanamide, which is used for making fertilizer, for producing inert atmosphere in steel industry, and also in organic reactions. It is used as food preservative, and dinitrogen is used in gas filled thermometer. Thank you very much.